This is Captain Cohn. I understand some of you may have been startled by that banging noise that just occurred. What happened is some static electricity built up on the airplane and it discharged as we were climbing through the clouds. That happens occasionally when you're in cirrus clouds like this. The airplane generates some static electricity as it goes through the clouds and then it has to discharge. But the plane's operating normally, so there's no reason for alarm.